Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, I will put about 4x to the power of 3 and 5x to the power of 3. This one I will put 5x squared minus 2x squared. This one negative 2x negative 3x. Next, we can do about factorization by 4x to the power of 3. This one by 5x squared. This one by negative 2x. This one by negative number 3. Next, we can do another factorization by x plus number 1. So that should be like this. Next, 3x I will put on the left. So we can do about factorization by 3x. This one by 9x squared. Now we have the formula in here. So that is about a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So number 1, that is about 1 to the power of number 3. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can do factorization by x plus number 1. And we have like this. So we simplify x plus number 1 on numerator and denominator. Now 3x multiplied by x squared minus x plus 1. So we have like this. So 9x squared minus 3x squared, we have 6x squared. So we can do about factorization by 3x, and we have like this. And this one, that is about identities. Next, 5x squared, we can put 4x squared plus x squared. Negative 2x, we can put into positive x minus 3x. Now we can do about factorization by 4x squared. This one by x and this one by negative number 3. So we can do about factorization by x plus number 1. Next, about s, I will put 4s minus 3s. Now, we can do another factorization by 4s. This one by negative number 3. So, we do another factorization. And now we just have only 4s minus number 3 with s plus 1. And this one we can put s plus 1 to the power of 2. And now we can simplify. So we put negative number 1 going here and here. So this one we have 7/3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.